In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name on HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing a business account or just keeping things tidy, changing your account name is straightforward once you know where to look. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to easily update your account name and keep your HubSpot environment organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by simply opening up your web browser and typing in hubspot.com or clicking on any saved bookmarks you might have. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with that familiar HubSpot interface, inviting you to explore all their business software and tools. Now look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to the login page where you'll enter your login credentials. Make sure you use the correct email and password associated with your HubSpot account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're logging into the one you want to update the name for. Once logged in, you're now on what's often referred to as the HubSpot home. This is essentially your hub for all things HubSpot, where you can access a variety of tools and data. Navigate your way through the interface until you see something labeled similar to Trial Guide, or find an intuitive path that gets you to the settings. These sections might vary slightly depending on your subscription and permissions. Upon landing in the Trial Guide area, keep your eyes peeled for the settings icon. It's usually found in the upper sections of your screen, often marked by a gear or wrench symbol. Clicking this will take you to the Settings menu, the place where the magic happens. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find numerous options and preferences you can tweak to tailor your HubSpot experience. But for now, we're focusing on one thing, your account name. So respect your mission and locate name in the options. It might be under a subsection of user preferences or profile. Finally, click on name and you'll be able to edit your account name to whatever suits your needs. Once you've entered your new account name, make sure to save the changes. It's often automatic, but it's always a good idea to double check that your changes have been applied. And there you have it, you've just updated your account name on HubSpot with minimal fuss. Remember, keeping your account settings updated not only helps with personal organization, but can also help avoid any administrative headaches down the line. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and guides.